Snoring affects your quality of life because both the quality and quantity of your sleep are affected. Nearly 90 million Americans snore at certain points in their lives, and 37 million others snore regularly, with more men reporting snoring than women, 42% and 31% respectively, according to the National Sleep Foundation. Snoring may be harmless, but it's another story if you keep waking up throughout the night because of it and resulting in the next day's frustration of feeling tired all day. But why do people snore? Let's talk about snoring causes. Several factors contribute to snoring. Snoring may also be a sign of a more serious health condition that hinders normal breathing while a person sleeps. People suffering from cold, sinus infection, or allergies may have a stuffy nose that blocks the breathing and results in snoring. Excessive weight or obesity can cause bulky throat tissue in the neck area, eventually narrowing airways and worsening snoring episodes. Weak muscle tone in the tongue and mouth can cause snoring. A too long uvula or palate narrows the opening between your throat and nose, and a condition that affects breathing. Pregnancy, particularly in the last month, with changes in the hormones, can cause tissue swelling in the nose and nasal congestion while sleeping. Alcohol drinks and those taking certain medication can suffer from muscle relaxation that worsens snoring. If you are a back sleeper, you may find yourself snoring. Snoring can be a sign of a more serious health problem. Regular snoring may be due to obstructive sleep apnea, OSA, loud snoring broken up by breathing pauses and loud gasps or snorts while a person takes another breath characterizes OSA, a primary risk factor for cardiovascular disease. Sleep apnea sufferers experience interruption or pauses throughout the sleep, sometimes up to 30 times per hour. When this happens, the blood oxygen levels drop and the brain signals us to wake up, to breathe, leading to an adrenal surge in the body. And that causes the heart to have to work harder. It is not only a cardiovascular disease that you need to worry about if you are snoring, but also it is important for us to know if snoring is related to obstructive sleep apnea. There are other health complications as well. Snoring affects your quality of life because both the quality and quantity of your sleep are affected. You may experience daytime sleepiness that can increase your risk of car accidents, increased risk for other health conditions as well, such as heart attack, stroke, diabetes, high blood pressure, irregular heartbeat, obesity. Your body needs adequate sleep to help repair and heal itself throughout the night. It's important to get to the root cause of your snoring so that you can receive the best treatment for your situation. Once your snoring is a thing of the past, you will be amazed at the high quality sleep you are able to get each night. And that will help you not only feel rested, but support your productivity, help you handle stress, and lower your risk for diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular disease, and obesity. Your dentist, who has been specifically trained in airway and sleep apnea, can help with the snoring, because snoring can actually be a sign of a more serious underlying condition such as sleep apnea. Appropriate diagnosis and treatment is crucial. This is why it's important to see your dentist if you are experiencing frequent snoring. A dentist can examine your oral cavity and airway to determine the cause of your snoring and recommend appropriate treatment. Here at Align Healing, we are passionate about your sleep, and we will create a customized comprehensive treatment plan for you that uses a non-invasive, cost-effective oral appliance to correct the issue. One of the methods that we use is Vivo's method, which is a revolutionary treatment for mild to moderate obstructive sleep apnea and snoring. Vivo's does not require surgery. It is non-invasive, highly effective, and has a limited treatment time. In combination with the Vivo's appliance, we use the Deca laser to enhance the results. The Deca Quiet Night laser is a quick and non-invasive procedure that can be performed in 15 minutes or less in our office to improve the snoring. Talk to us about snoring solutions today, and we are passionate to get you on the right path and good night of sleep.